There's a price on your head, young man. There's a bullet with your name on it. See the posters on the wall. Can you see the posters on the wall? There's a price on your head, young man. There's a bullet with your name on it. See the posters on the wall. Can you see the posters on the wall? All this, what's the meaning of all this? The posters on the wall and the pictures in the wallets. Call us, why the hell you don't call us? The reason should be obvious, blood is thicker than water is. And so you moved in the jungle, then got lost in it. And everything comes crumbling in a hot minute. It's a wonderful life with a hell of a price to pay. Pictures speak 1,000 words, develop them right away. Flick, snapshot, rolling by the crack spot. Fat water cash gets snatched up by the have-nots or have-whatevers. Pass my Beretta, 38 special, perhaps that do me better. So God bless everyone who do them things. Everything changed once the click-clack came. God bless everyone who do them things. Everything changed once the click-clack came. There's a price on your head, young man. There's a bullet with your name on it. See the posters on the wall. Can you see the posters on the wall? There's a price on your head, young man. There's a bullet with your name on it. See the posters on the wall. Can you see the posters on the wall? Got your name, got your number. Came here fall, won't make it till summer. Came here to ball, but you couldn't make it bundle. That type of downfall can make a nigga humble. Niggas been getting got since way back. The mob gets even till they get paid back. And some niggas say that, and some niggas don't. Some niggas play that, and some niggas won't. As you can see me gone, with some clean jeans on, rolling down the boulevard with my TVs on. He hopped out of the frying pan and into the fire. Now his ass is running from that gun for hire. So God bless everyone who do them things. Everything changed once the click-clack came. Yes, God bless everyone who do them things. Everything changed once the click-clack came. There's a price on your head, young man. There's a bullet with your name on it. See the posters on the wall. Can you see the posters on the wall? There's a price on your head, young man. There's a bullet with your name on it. See the posters on the wall. Can you see the posters on the wall?
Motherfucker, where my fucking money? Money, bitch, where my fucking money?
Ayo, Green, I feel like I'm turning green too.
Bitch, where my fucking money?
From Bill Bixby to some incredible Hulk shit.
Where my fucking money?
I don't even know why you give me shit like this to spit to.
Bitch, where my fucking money?
I'm sure we speak the same language. Fuck you bitches, baby. Wait a minute, came to get it, Ranger fitted. Whenever it come to paper, better know I'm major with it. Make it rain a major blizzard, leather alligator lizard. I Talladega race any challenger, name the digit. Even if on the slightest you take a smidget or dare touch my revenue, I slice you with the razor quick. Icy till I make it frigid. Brrr. The laws of physics says it's getting cold, my money taller than a hall of midgets. I get up all up in it, kicking down the door.
Who is it?
Bitch, will be the crew of bill collectors, pay them all a visit. After cleaning bank accounts, you question if I gave a shit at 9 and tell the truth, so you could tell them that the player did it.
Hey,
it's okay, I say a prayer, it's the mayor bid it. Slayer giving you another layer of the data tritic. Bust rhymes, hitting you with punchlines. Funny how I fuck nines, bitch, you know I want mines. Where my fucking money? I ain't speaking foreign, you know what I'm saying. Better have my bread, nigga, I ain't playing.
Bitch, where my fucking fucking money?
Mark every word spoken, better sell your pussy if you think I'm joking.
Motherfucker, where my fucking money?
Think I still ain't crazy cause I cut my dread, and if you short my cake, I'm upside of your head.
Bitch, where my fucking money? Money, 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 bitch, where my fucking money?
Critical is pitiful, I'm cynical how I deliver lyricals and take these other niggas' paper. Topsy-turvy controversy, I'm so thirsty, got no mercy for some of these bitches. I collect my money now and later, keep it moving with the click while making bitches hit the strip. Cake up every day I wake up, rate the way my money flip. I want it slime, borderline, call it crime, all the shine, I'm taking it, ain't no mistaking it, nigga, what's yours is mine. No need to second guess it, check it, I'm the gloss and grind, the gritty and the floss, the profit and the loss all intertwined. Because I profit from your losses, you don't want it, you should get it. In the hood with your money, I extended my line of credit. The medic Dr. Rhymes will put you on a diuretic, shrinking up a nigga pocket. Simple nigga style, pathetic bust rhymes, hitting you with punchlines. Funny how I fuck dimes, bitch, you know I want mines. Where my